No, don't go back too much. Yes, perfect. Head towards me a little bit. Head towards me like that. Turn your head towards me. Look at me. Yes, thank you. No, go back. Go back a little bit. Go back a little bit. Yeah. Good. Put full hands. And remember what she told you. Yes, like that. Just put it like this. Cover the beads. All right. So don't like this. Do like this. Your head should come to the front. Yes. Thank you. Chin down a little bit. Tilt your head a little bit this way. Perfect. Good. Stay right there. Welcome back, and we are here photographing the bride in a bridal gown. So today I have with me Kira, she's our model, and we have Mr. P also to help us act like the grooms. It's been amazing, and I can't wait to share a lot with you. So let's start. First thing first, we're going to start with our light setup for any hotel we get to. Most times we try to look for natural light coming in through the window or anywhere we can see natural light. So you can see in this hotel room we have light coming from here, and I'll try to use natural light and show you how it looks like. A good source of light, natural light, and we have Kira here. So I'll turn Kira towards the light, and I'm using the 56 1.4. It's a Victor's lens on the Fuji. It's crop sensor camera, so it's good enough. 56 1.4 Fuji X-T3. So Kira, turn towards the light, please. Yes, go back a little bit. Okay. So please always ask for permission before touching the bride. Some people are always sensitive, so ask her and say, please can I touch you? Please can I direct you? Please can I position you this way? So just ask. It's always better to ask, take permission, and make them feel comfortable. So I'll tell Kira that please, our bride Kira, so please bride Kira, can you turn this way a little bbit? And please, can I touch you?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, so turn this way a little bit. Okay, step back a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, so I'm on 56 and 1.4 ISO 1000. So let me see. No, see where we can. Let's turn you. Yeah, just you got to go off this. Yeah, just turn this way. So don't bend your head to the back. Yeah, bend your head to the front. So let's go. All right. I love that. Look down towards the bouquet. Yeah. Step back a little bit. Yes, good. So can you turn towards the light a little bit? Yes, that way. Just turn a little bit this way. Perfect. Okay. So let me see how it looks like. I like that. Look down like that. Nice. I like that. Thank you. Jump a little bit. Nice. I love that. Yeah. Can you look out towards the window a little bit? Yes, perfect. Look out towards the window. Beautiful thing. I love this. Nice. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Nice. Okay. No, same way. Yes, good. Yes. So I will expose for the background and get some shots. So here, yes. I want to walk into the wall. I try to walk here. Okay, no, don't rest. Yes, perfect, good. Stay right there. Perfect, stay, nice. So I'm on 1.4 ISO 1000, shutter 200. Okay. Okay. Nice, I love this. Okay, let me go back a little bit. Sorry. Same way, I want to walk. Yeah, nice. Okay, nice. Here, like you want to walk. Yes, like that. Stay. Perfect. Stay right there. Good. Okay. Nice. Stay right there. Good. Beautiful. Right now, I want to use 56 with the video lights. So this is Shoot Photo RGB, and I'm on 56 1.4 ISO 320. So let's go. Okay. Stay right there, please. Okay. Okay, inside looks like. Okay, nice. Kira, just relax here this way. Turn your head towards me a little bit. Yes, good. Okay, look at me. Nice. Bring your two hands, bring the bouquet to the side a little bit. Yes, thank you. Okay, nice. Now bring it down a little bit. Remember the beads. Yes, good. Now turn a little bit towards me. Yes, perfect. Good. Push it towards me a little bit. Nice. Good. Stay right there. Okay, and this side looks like. Okay, sweet. Okay, now look towards the light. Yes, thank you. Close, eyes closed. Yes. Now here, don't relax. Always push yourself to the front. Nice. Turn towards me a little bit. Turn towards me. Like your arm should go to the side. Bring it, no, not like that. Bring it down. Yes, thank you. Good. I have the light coming from camera left, and we have my assistant, just holding the lights, give a kind of lights, like rampant lighting from behind, and I'll show you how it looks like. So I love this right there. Nice. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Stay right there. Beautiful. I love this. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. Nice. I'm sorry. Here, can you just relax? Take, but hold a hand. Take, hold it. Yes, good. Remember, like always. Yes, good. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, turn your head this way. Yes, find the 1 month light on our face. Come this way. Come. Yes, that's it. Perfect. Good. I love this. Yes. Can the light up a little bit? Come down. Yes, perfect. That's good. Thank you. Yes, perfect. Stay right there. Okay, perfect. Stay. Beautiful. I love this. Okay, just stay right there. Hold it. Good. So let me see. Okay. Oh, no, that's too much. Yes, just turn a little bit. Turn a little bit. Yes, good. Then 2 hands. Hold it. Okay, stay right there. Okay. Can you look towards a little bit? Yes, perfect. Stay right there. Let me try and get it shot. Oh. Nice. I love this. Stay. Can you take the bouquet up a little bit? Take the bouquet up a little bit. Nice. Remember, Kira, don't relax your back. Always lean to the front. Thank you. Okay, so this. Nice. Okay. Okay. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. I love this. Nice. Kira, take the bouquet up a little bit. Nice. Yes. Beautiful. Stay. Okay, just stay right there. Kira, yeah, don't worry. Put your hand on the railing. Put your hand there. Yes, I love that. Stay right there. Nice. Kira, look towards us. Nice. Good. Yes. Now bring it towards her. Yes, like that. Thank you. Good. Front light, please. Okay. Hold it like that. Lovely. Yes, I love this shot. Come to the side this bit. Good. So perfect. Nice. So I'm on 23 that's 35 on the full frame and 1.4 light coming from a little bit from the right. Thank you. And ISO 250, shutter 200. Look away. Eyes closed. I'm going to use the mirror to create like a composition, and using the mirror I have my light coming from camera right from my assistant, and I have 56 here, 1.4, and I'm shooting 1.4, so stay right there. And beautiful. I love this. Stay right there, please. Beautiful. Nice. Okay, mirror shot. Nice. I'll be using the 8200, putting it inside. This is our modifier. That's what we use for most weddings. Put the light inside this way, and light hits here and it comes out. And we have a diffuser for it. Put the diffuser over here. So make sure the light comes from either the front or the side. That's how we light up our bride. The side or front light, and it goes up and it comes like from up coming down towards her. So I'll show you how it looks like, and we'll try some shots here and you see how it looks like. So right here I have my modifier and 8200 inside, and the model Kira, she's amazing. She's tired, but we'll make it work. So we have this light here coming from 45 degree. I'll take a shot like over here, 56. Take the shot from here. Now this light would make it work. Let's see how it looks like. So stay like that. Stay, sorry. Okay, like here. All right, look towards me. Okay, we need light to the front a little bit. Front light, good. All right, nice. So it looks like. Anyway, can you light up a little bit? Thank you. Bring down a little bit down. Yes, thank you. Good. Okay. Stay right there. Say a little bit. No, turn towards me. Yes, good. I like that. Yes, good. Okay, tilt your head a little bit this way. So Kira, turn. Yeah, shoulders go this way. Shoulders this way. Yes, perfect. Look at me. Tilt your head this way a little bit. Turn back a little bit. Yes, thank you.